I fragged this Leptastrea. Yeah. I'll put the spelling in the comments. But anyway, I fragged it yesterday. Came in as a fluke on a client's chunk of live rock. This is the mother colony. The polyps are like completely out. This stuff must be super hardy. And I got 3 pieces out of it. There's piece number 2. I put it on this giant. Yeah, I got Bacillopora up there. Anyways, it's on that giant. That's a fake piece of rock, but it's a really nice branch. I'm trying to get them growing on there. And then the 3rd piece is over here. And polyps are fully out on all 3 frags. There's additional chunks left on the mother colony too. It's a little hard to get off because it grows right into the rock and forms a base on top of the rock. Happy to see it's doing well. Happy reefing.